الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Assalamu alaikum, Parveen. How can I assist you today?
Wa alaikum assalam, Rashid. I hope you're well. I've been thinking about performing Umrah, and I heard you went with Jassim Hajj and Umrah service. I have no idea where to begin.
Don't worry, my Parveen. I'm glad you reached out. Jassim Hajj and Umrah service is an excellent choice, and they'll guide you every step of the way. Let's start with the immediate measures. First, confirm your travel arrangements. Contact Jassim Hajj and Umrah service to finalize your flight bookings, accommodations, and transportation. They'll ensure all the details are accurate and make any necessary adjustments. Next, you'll need to obtain the Umrah visa. Jassim Hajj and Umrah service will assist you with the application process, providing the necessary paperwork and guidance. They'll make sure everything is in order for a smooth visa approval. To ensure your health and well-being, complete the required vaccinations and medical checkups. Consult your healthcare provider and follow Jassim Hajj and Umrah service's recommendations. They prioritize your safety and will guide you through this. Packing wisely is essential. Jassim Hajj and Umrah service will provide you with a comprehensive packing list, including appropriate clothing, toiletries, and other essentials. Make sure to adhere to their recommendations and pack accordingly. Financial planning is crucial. Jassim Hajj and Umrah service will provide a breakdown of estimated costs, helping you organize your travel budget. They'll offer guidance on currency exchange and payment methods for your convenience. Lastly, stay connected with Jassim Hajj and Umrah service for any updates or changes. They'll keep you informed about guidelines and regulations related to Umrah. You can trust them to provide the latest information, ensuring a smooth and successful journey.
Alhamdulillah. I am so grateful for your guidance, Rashid, and the expertise of Jassim Hajj and Umrah service. With their help, I feel confident and blessed to embark on this journey of faith.
May Allah bless your journey, Parveen, and reward you abundantly. Remember, Jassim Hajj and Umrah service is there for you every step of the way. May our paths be guided by the light of Islam.
Ameen. Jazakallah khair, Rashid. May Allah bless you too, and may our Umrah journeys be accepted. I will definitely praise and recommend Jassim Hajj and Umrah service for their exceptional assistance and care.
لا